my name is Tia.
I'm Akansha.
I am Aditi Sarke.
Hi, my name is Karima and this is my mother Anita.
This is my mom, Dr. Mahalakshmi Prasad.
I am here with my mum, Pari.
This is my mom.
Lena.
This is my mom, Sandhya Sarke.
Hey guys, I'm Pratish and this is my mother,
Shubha Kushalappa.
and we are here to play the Mother's Day game with Fanping.
Yes, I blocked my mom on Instagram for a couple of months, so I didn't have to tell her that I had it. On Facebook, yeah, quite a few people.
Thank you. And my mother is blocked.
I'm blocked too.
My mom can't see my stories.
I had blocked her at first. And then I unblocked her. She used to ask me, "You're on Instagram, show me, show me." So then I had to show her.
I've never blocked anyone.
I haven't blocked a family member on social media ever. I have blocked a couple of cousins, definitely. Yes. I just don't follow those cousins.
She asks so many times all the clothes that she buys. I've liked it. I liked whatever Garima gave me.
No.
I've never disliked a present. She's actually very bad at giving presents. She doesn't know what I want. She doesn't know how to surprise me. So I have to tell her. Have you ever disliked?
No, I haven't disliked. In fact, I look forward to getting presents.
Oh, I didn't know that.
This phone, I could have got a better phone.
No, actually, mom knows what I like, and then when she gets it, I tend to like it most of the time. I'm still waiting to get more gifts from Disha. I'm hoping that, being a part of the family, she'll make some money and then get me some gifts.
My mom is my favorite parent. Who's your favorite?
Even she is my favorite one.
I have 4 kids. I don't have favorites. I sort of appreciate things about different ones differently. I'm pretty much close to both my parents.
I know I shouldn't say this, but I really feel that she understands me better. I'm not saying that my dad's bad or anything. I'm just saying that she understands me better.
When she was small, she used to irritate me a lot. So obviously my son was my favorite, but now as she's growing older, she's like a friend to me. Now both my kids are favorite.
Getting us into trouble now.
My favorite parent is Shubha, my mama.
Both my children.
No, answer. Or $100.
Dada.
No.
He's my favorite person.
No, $100. I got $50. Thank you, I love this game.
I'm going to here very obviously say Disha because I'm doing this with her. My other kid is right in front of me, so I'll have to answer to her later. You can say Papa, it's okay? Yeah, Dad. Just for the sake of the video. I mean, just because I had to answer. I want to know this.
50
Thank you for asking.
$50.
He's 16 years old, mind you.
Two.
He'll be 17 now.
Two.
I really want to know.
2.
What?
And I'm a single. How many have you dated?
One. And
Yeah,
I
she married a boyfriend.
Oh, me? Wait, I can count you. No, be quiet. Actually,
I've dated 2 and you know about.
Yeah, I know about that.
I've dated one person. Mom knew about it. Mom knew everything about it. But yeah, I've dated one person. Oh, I've dated one person and I got married to him. So that works.
5 people. 5 people.
Not even one.
नहीं कभी नहीं मेरे हस्बैंड फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट
No, I haven't. People read my messages. I haven't
No.
read theirs.
I haven't read anyone's message. Have you read?
Yeah.
Okay, she keeps doing that.
Anas.
You have read Anas.
Yeah. Because you only said check if he has a girlfriend. Check who the girlfriend is for the name. So that your true son has checked the messages.
I have not.
You check Dana's. Don't
No, yeah.
Don't let.
I just probably.
You check that.
I just probably check his bank balance, not the messages.
She reads all my messages. Now I don't let her because I keep changing my password. She sneaks into my phone and reads all the messages. It's so annoying at times. That's her duty as a mom.
And then my phone is always open. Anyone and everyone can read my messages.
There was this time when Dad and I were making out. It was Valentine's. We were at friend's colony and then the cops caught us. We've told you about this. I didn't know this. The cops caught us and then they wanted our numbers. Thankfully, we didn't have cell phones
How
then.
old were you?
A year before marriage. No, 23 almost. You're doing too much.
It's okay.
So we were swimming at the Windsor. Laugh again. We were swimming at the Windsor Manor, and my dad had bought me my first off-shoulder bikini, and I went diving into the pool, and the bikini came off. So my boyfriend at that time says, "Go into the deep end, go into the deep end," and he went finding the bikini top and gave it to me. So yeah, that was.
I'm Batman. No wonder you see this body. This body comes because I'm Batman. How much money I make? Yeah.
Yeah.
How much money I make? One thing I don't know about you. Two crushes before like school time.
Nothing, yeah.
Stop lying. Send 50
I'm an
bucks.
open book.
Send 50
I'm an
bucks.
open book. He
Shubha,
knows everything
Amma,
about
send 50
me.
bucks. Send 50. Stop it, you're delaying.
Here it looks as if I'm the bad person and I'm hiding
50
it.
bucks. Thank you.
So every time I've gotten in trouble at school, mom's known because I either come home and tell her or school told her before I could tell her.
I like smoking once in a way, once in 6 months.
I knew this. I remember once I saw a picture and then I got all paranoid and I was just holding the cigarette for the picture.
But that
of course you weren't.
But this is like once in 6 months, like half a fag.
Okay, well
Yeah.
that's it then.
I think my mom doesn't know that every day at night I go inside the kitchen and I eat a lot of junk food because I get hungry because I don't eat my dinner properly.
I'm a very good son, right?
Oh, yeah.
Trusting people? Is that what that happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, I trust a lot.
Trusting wrong people.
Oh, trusting people,
Too
anger
many
issue.
girlfriends.
Dude, this is a live session. You don't say that.
No, I'm just asking.
No, that's not a bad habit. That's a nice thing. Anger issues, trusting people, staying up too late in the night and
He
waking up.
sleeps at what, 3 o'clock? And then he's always texting. I don't know whom he texts.
I have a social life. You don't.
Not moisturizing. She cannot take care of her skin. She's my grandmother. Yes. Cracking nothing. That'll be both of us. Yeah. Not eating breakfast. Cracking every bone in my body. I have a very bad habit of picking my skin, ripping out my eyebrow hair or my hair on my head. All nervous tics.
We like to watch.
Binge.
Binge watch.
Together and gossip about my mother's life. Because my life is very boring and she has a very nice life. Your friends are amazing. Their lives are great.
Zip.
Okay.
Zip.
Bye. Yeah.
We both love cooking.
Yeah.
We both love feeding people. And it is a therapeutic activity. We both teach each other things. She's taught me a lot about cooking and I taught her a lot about baking.
Cooking right now, that's something we've discovered during lockdown.
Yeah,
we like
we do.
cooking together.
2 days back we roasted a whole chicken together and we had an absolute blast.
Don't say my height or something. I don't like you can say my height. I wish I had her skin. I don't know where I got this thing from.
His confidence. He's very, very confident.
Personality wise, her way to handle people. I don't know how to handle people.
I think my mom's pretty organized, so I would like to have that.
Her confidence is something that I would love to have forever. I love it about her.
I'd like to talk to people and make conversation the way mom does because she seems to get along with everybody. She could literally be buying vegetables and talk to someone for half an hour.
One quality is her communication skills. मतलब ना, she can sell anything, she can market anything, she can gain trust बहुत जल्दी से.
Happy Mother's Day. I love you so much and thanks for always being there for me and supporting me.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
And Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being such a great mother.
Right? Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up.
Please like, share.
And subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.